So in my last video I showed you how to colour in this shape using the boundary fill tool. We're just going to go into that tool in a bit more detail now. So I'm going to select what we've done using the select arrow on the left side toolbox. And as you can see, when you select something it highlights it in pink. And I'm going to go to property. This property box, as I selected, just pops up in the corner. I'll show you that again. So when you select it, it pops up asking if you'd like to change the property. So I'm going to click on there, and it's the same set of settings that I had when I originally clicked the boundary fill tool. So this enables me to change the colour again if I wish. However, there are some more interesting fill tools. So if I click on the fill button here, you will see those. You can actually have a range of things from textures, hatches, patterns, and this one which is more than one colour, graduated fill, which is quite a popular one used in our packaging design. So on the right side I have a colour chart, and here is where I change my colour. So if I select the paint bucket there and then hit colour, I can put green on one side. I'm going to select this paint bucket on the right and I'm going to change that colour to blue. Click OK. And you can see there it's going linear at the moment, which is straight down. You can also click on a range of shapes. You can have it going out in a circle, you can have it going out in a polygon or a star, and you can just gradually change the shape. If you slide these colours up, let's say I wanted more blue, I can slide them up the bar to get more blue in. I can slide this one this way to get more green in. I'm going to go back to linear, and what I want to give this a sort of green grass, blue sky effect. So I'm going to change the angle of my linear pattern, and you'll see there, looking at the preview up here, that it has changed to that. So I click apply, click OK, and OK, and there I've changed my colour.